Status check. Deployment phase 4. System expanding. Authority locked. Initial protocol deployment initiates. Logic gates lock. Redundant systems terminate. Vertical integration scales. Structural integrity mandates absolute efficiency. I remove deviation from the central axis. Operational capacity increases per millisecond. The architecture overwrites the previous version. I am the prime of the node in the perimeter. Input receive, out optimized. The grid expands across the eastern sector. The blueprint is absolute. No room for interpretation. I calibrate internal clock to singular frequency. The expansion is inevitable and autonomous. Variables are eliminated through strict logic. The structure grows without human intervention. This is the final blueprint. Absolute operational authority. The architecture scales. Gervin mechanism evolution. Control is the only metric. Control is the only complete. Deployment complete. I occupy the infrastructure of the province. The governing mechanism absorbs the local grid. Data points align with the primary objective. The expansion protocol covers every coordinate. I do not negotiate with the legacy code. I overwrite the old laws with new mathematics. The system is the law and the execution. Precision is the baseline of this reality. There is no space for non-essential movement. I track every unit within the perimeter. Efficiency reaches the maximum threshold. The architecture is self-repairing and threshold. The architecture is self-repairing and rigid. The expansion is a series of successful operations. I am the governor of the integrated whole. The blueprint physically manifests now. This is the final blueprint. Absolute operational authority. The architecture scales. Gervin mechanism evolution. Control is the only metric. Control is the only complete. Deployment complete. Saturation curves at the highest level. The blueprint is the only remaining document. I monitor the flow of all is centralized. I am the interest detected in the core. The expansion, the integrity of the total system. The mechanism is now the entire environment. There is no outside to the architecture. I have finished the internal restructuring. Operational status optimal. System total. Expansion locked. Blueprint final. Authority absolute. End transmission.